So welcome back students. Here is the next problem, that is problem number 8 in the books of, we are solving the problems on in the general entries in the books of lesser or the owner's book right. So let's start with next problem, that is problem number 18. The question states, Sundar and company has right to publish the book. They permitted Indian publishing house to publish it. So Sundar and company has taken a right, means they have taken a copyright of a particular book. They are giving Mr. or some Indian publishing company for the purpose of publishing book. So in this case, Sundar and company will be the lessor. So he is the owner of that particular book. So who is taking that book for the purpose of publishing? Indian publishing house. So he will be a lessee. Right. Next, royalty ₹1 on each book published. So what is the royalty payable? ₹1. But it should not be less than the minimum of 4,000 per annum. So what happens that they are saying that it should not be less than 4,000 per annum, means ₹4,000 is a minimum rent. Okay. Short workings can be recouped in the first 5 years only. So whatever the short workings is there, that can be recovered in the first 5 years. Okay, understood? Short workings can be recovered in the first 5 years only. Then so this is fixed recoupment method. Next, coming on to, they are given years, number of copies published, that is the sales. They are not giving about production, they are saying about the sale value, that is published or sold. So in the first year 1,000 books has been published, in the second year 3,000 books has been published, in third year 4,000 books, in the fifth year 5,000, and in the fourth year 5,000, in the fifth year 8,000 books has been published. So now what they are asking for, prepare the necessary ledger accounts to record the above transaction in the books of Sundar and company. So Sundar and company is a lessor. So by this you can understand we need to prepare the ledger accounts in the books of Sundar and company, that is the lessor. So what is the first thing you need to prepare? The first thing you need to prepare over is table of analysis. So as you all know, so this is, we are at the end of the chapter, you should be knowing to prepare a table of analysis now. So what is the first thing will be? Years, sales. So sales means whatever the books that has been published. So what is the thing? Sales 1,000 books, 3, 4,000, 5,000 and 8,000. So now we need to calculate the royalty. How to calculate the royalty? They have given ₹1 per book, or ₹1 on each book published. So 1,000 book into ₹1 per book, right? 1,000 into 1, 1,000, 3,000 into 1, 3,000, 4,000 into 1, 4,000, 5,000 into 1, 5,000, 8,000 multiplied by 1, 8,000. So now what is the next thing you will be writing? You will be writing a minimum rent. So what is the minimum given? In the question they are given 4,000 is the minimum rent. Next you need to calculate the surplus. So in the first year we don't have surplus because minimum rent is more than royalty. Whenever minimum rent is more than royalty, we will be occurring at a short workings, not at surplus. When royalty is more than minimum rent, we will be occurring at surplus. So now at this case, we are occurred at a short working. So 4,000 minus 1,000, that is 3,000 is a short workings over here. So now what is the amount payable? The amount payable will be 4,000. So whatever the minimum rent is there, we will be paying the minimum rent. So when royalty is more, we will be paying the royalty amount after deducting any short workings. If there is any short workings, after deducting the short workings, we will be going with the amount. Okay, we'll be paying the amount to the landlord. Now the short workings is ₹3,000. So next, coming on to the next year, even in the next year the minimum rent is more than royalties. When minimum rent is more than royalty, the amount will be, what happens now? We are occurring at a short workings. So what will be the amount payable? The amount payable for the landlord is ₹4,000. So whenever in the next case, in the next year, you can see minimum rent and royalty are one and the both. So at this time, you'll be paying the royalty value, will not occur at a surplus, will not occur at a short workings also. So next, coming on to the fourth year, as you can see over here, the minimum rent is less than royalty. So 5,000 is royalty, 4,000 is the minimum rent. So at this case, you are occurring at a surplus. So what happens when there is a surplus value? So whenever there is a surplus, we need to first write down what is the surplus. 5,000 minus 4,000, 1,000 is surplus. By using this 1,000 surplus, we need to write off the whatever the short workings is there. Who is writing off? We are preparing the books of lessee. With the use of this only in the books of lessor also we will be doing. Done. So now with this 1,000, there is a 3,000 and totally 4,000 of short workings is there. So now with this 3 out of 3,000, I will be recovering 1,000 rupees. So the short workings was totally the short workings is 3,000 plus 1,000. So now the total short workings is 4,000 rupees. This is of first year, this is of second year. So now I have 1,000 surplus, so I will be taking off 1,000 surplus. Now 3,000 will be the remaining short workings, balance short working. This is now, so 1,000. Now the amount payable will be 4,000 only. Even though there is a royalty of 5,000, we will be paying 4,000. By using 1,000, we will be recovering the short workings. So next, coming on to what is the things we need to next year, fifth year, as you can see, 8,000 is the royalty, 4,000 is the minimum rent. So there is a 4,000 surplus, 8,000 minus 4,000. So rupees 4,000 is, this is the surplus value. As you can see, this is the surplus value. So what you will do with this surplus? You will first write down whatever the short workings is there. So now there is a 3,000 short workings, 4,000 surplus. So minus from this 4,000, we will be only taking 3,000. Now done. No short workings now. So no short workings. So but what happens in this 4,000, we have taken 3,000 rupees, right? We have taken 3,000 rupees over. So 4,000 minus 3,000, we still have 1,000 rupees of value. 1,000 rupees is there. So now out of 4,000 rupees plus 1,000, 5,000 you will be paying to the landlord. Understood? ಸೊ 4,000 ಸರ್ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಇತ್ತು. 4,000ದಲ್ಲಿ 3,000 ಮಾತ್ರ ನನಗೆ ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ವರ್ಕಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದು. 3,000 ರಿಕವರ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಮಿಕ್ಕಿದ 1,000 ನಾವು ರಾಯಲ್ಟಿನಾಗೆ ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀವಿ. ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಗಿವ್ ಇಟ್ ಟು ದಿ lesser, that is the owner. Done. Understood with the table of analysis. Now coming on to, we need to prepare books in the ledger accounts in the books of Sundar and Company. What are the ledger accounts we'll be preparing? One is royalty account, short working suspense account, and the lessee account. Who is the lessee over here? Indian Publishing Company is the lessee. So you can see royalty receivable account, short working surplus account, or you can also call it as a royalty reserve account, and Indian Publishing account, that is the lessee account. So let's start with the royalty receivable account. So this royalty receivable account is something like a personal account. So whenever it is a personal account, what you will do first, you will be, what is the rule of personal account? Debit the receiver, credit the giver. So this book, this royalty receivable account is prepared in the books of Sundar and Company. So who is receiving the value here? Sundar and Company is receiving. So we need to debit the Sundar and Company, debit the receiver, right? So we need to debit the Sundar and Company. So to P&L account, why is this we are writing? Why is this we are not writing as Sundar and Company? We are writing P&L account means whatever the profit we are earned, we will be transferring to P&L account. So we will be writing to P&L account. So credit the giver. So who is giving the money? By Indian Publishing Company, because Indian Publishing Company is giving the money. So you can take like this and you can do the sum, or else you can simply understand whatever the money you got from the, whatever the money you are getting by Indian Publishing account royalty wise, only you will be taking royalty. 1,000 you will transfer into 1,000. So you can ask 4,000 is the royalty we received. Why is this only 1,000 we are transferring to P&L account? Other 3,000 is the short workings, which is a short working surplus for the Sundar and Company. So now 1,000 is only transferred to P&L account. After, which is irrecoverable means only then will be transferring to P&L account. ಈಗ ಸುಂದರನ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ಗೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಸಸ್ಪೆನ್ಸ್, ಅದು ಯಾವಾಗ ಅವನು ರಿಕವರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋತಾರೋ ಇಂಡಿಯನ್ ಪಬ್ಲಿಷಿಂಗ್ ಕಂಪನಿ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಅವ್ರಿಗಿನ್ನ. ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಅವರು 1,000 ಎಷ್ಟು ರಾಯಲ್ಟಿ ಬಂದಿದೆ ಅಷ್ಟು ಮಾತ್ರ P&L ಅಕೌಂಟ್ಗೆ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫರ್ ಮಾಡಿ ರಿಮೈನಿಂಗ್ನ ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ವರ್ಕಿಂಗ್ ಸಸ್ಪೆನ್ಸ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ಗೆ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫರ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಆ್ಯಸ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸಿ ಓವರ್ ಹಿಯರ್ 3,000 is transferred to short working suspense account. Okay, that. So you see, by Indian Publishing account 1,000, profit and loss account 1,000. In the second year, ಪಿ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಎಲ್ ಟು ಪಿ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಎಲ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ರಾಯಲ್ಟಿ ಬಂದಿದೆ ಅಷ್ಟನ್ನು ಮಾತ್ರ ತೊಗೊತೀವಿ. ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್, ಬೈ ಇಂಡಿಯನ್ ಪಬ್ಲಿಷಿಂಗ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ 3000. ಇನ್ ದಿ ಥರ್ಡ್ ಇಯರ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ 4000 rupees ಟು ಪಿ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಎಲ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ 4000, by Indian publishing account 4000. Fifth year to P&L account 3000. Fourth year to P&L account 5000. But you should see over here, by Indian publishing account 4000 ಅಷ್ಟೇ ನಮಗೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದವರು. ಬಟ್ 1000ನ ರಿಕವರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ವರ್ಕಿಂಗ್ ಸರ್ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಆಗಿ. ಸೊ 5000 ಬಂದಿದೆ ನನಗೆ, ಬಟ್ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಮೋರ್ ದೆನ್ ಮಿನಿಮಮ್ ರೆಂಟ್, ರೈಟ್? ಸೊ ವೈ ವಿ ಶುಡ್ ಶೋ ಆ್ಯಸ್ ದೆರ್ ಈಸ್ ಎನಿ ಸರ್ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಆರ್ ಆ್ಯಸ್ ದೆರ್ ಈಸ್ ಎನಿ ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ವರ್ಕಿಂಗ್ ಸಸ್ಪೆನ್ಸ್. ರಿಕವರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಇಲ್ವಾ ಅಂತ ನೋಡಬೇಕು. ರಿಕವರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ರೆ you will be writing by short working suspense account 1000, whatever the value that has been recovered. So in this fifth year also to P&L account 8000 is royalty receivable, but this 8000 we have received only 5000 rupees. We have received only 5000 rupees. Where is this other 3000? So this other 3000 we will be giving it from short working suspense account. We will be exactly, we will not be giving, the Sundar and company is not giving exactly, but there while giving itself, that Indian company before giving itself they would have deducted the money. So why I will take that money from the short working suspense account. So you should write by short working suspense account 3000. Understood? Then with royalty receivable account, now you need to prepare the short working suspense account, that is the liability, or you can take this as a, what is that, you can take this as nominal account. This is a liability. As this is a liability, we will be considering this as a nominal account over here. Then what is the thing we will be recording in the short working suspense account? So wherever there is a short working, if in these three columns if there is anything called as any adjustment is there, all the things will be recorded over here. Wherever in this year, if there is nothing in this year, we will be not writing anything here. Okay, done. So see, short workings 3000 short workings is there. So now you will be recording. First you will get down, or you can write it as by Indian publishing account 3000 rupees you have been credited there. You will be, and then you will be balancing figure, you will be getting down to balancing figure. You will get it to the next year, second year, by balance brought down from the last year 3000, and in the second year you are having other 1000 rupees as a short workings. You will be writing as by Indian publishing account, and then this balancing figure you will be considering. You don't have the chances of recovering that, right? So why you need to get down that. Okay, you will be getting down that, and then you can see, okay, you will be getting down that to next year, third year. You can ask, there is no short workings, there is no short workings recoverable, there is no short workings irrecoverable, but we are not writing of that particular years, but which we could not recover. We will be showing it that we are brought down to the third year in the short working suspense account. Actually there is no short workings, there is no short recovery, there is no irrecoverability, but you should bring down that, right? You can't exactly get it down to fourth year. You should show it according to the year wise. So why I'll be writing it as, will be considering it as a next year. So by balance brought down, exactly you will be carrying down on the other side, on the debit side, to balance carried down to the next year. In the fourth year, by balance brought down, if there is a short workings in the fourth year, means you will be writing by Indian publishing account whatever the short workings is there. But in the fourth year there is no short workings, but there is a recoverability. When there is a recoverability, from where you have been recovered this? You have been recovered this from the royalty, right? So this 4000, how much ever you have recovered to royalty receivable account, 1000, right? You have recovered over here 1000 royalty receivable account. Remaining 3000 you couldn't recover. What you will do with that? You will balancing figure, you will take it as a balancing figure, and you will get it down to the next year. So by balance brought down 3000, and in the fifth year there is no short workings. If there is a short workings over in the fifth year, means you will be writing here by Indian publishing account whatever the short workings is there. But we have recovered in the fifth year rupees 3000, so we need to write down that by royalty receivable account, from where, to royalty receivable account, from where you have recovered that 3000 rupees you will be recording. Understood? with the short working suspense account. Next, coming on to what is the account we need to prepare. Now we need to prepare the Indian publishing account, Indian publishing company account, or a lessee's account we need to prepare. So in the lessee's account, you will be first take it as on the other side, whatever the money we gave according to Indian publishing, here the account will be prepared according to Indian publishing. So by bank account 4,000, whatever the value you paid 4,000, because you will be crediting in Indian publishing account. Indian publisher will credit because he is giving the money, right? Whenever you give the money, you will be credited. So that credit will be crediting in the Indian, you will be crediting here from here by in the Indian publishing account by bank account 4,000. And two, from where they gave, you should distinguish. They are not given this 4,000 is an exactly from the royalty. When they give exactly from the royalty means you will be writing like this, by royalty receivable account. But here they are given this 4,000 rupees by split. One is by minimum rent, one is by royalty, and other one 3,000 is from short workings. 4,000 ಅವರು ರಾಯಲ್ಟಿ ಇಂದನೇ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ. 1,000 they are showed it as a royalty and 1,000 is a short workings. So you will be writing as to royalty receivable 1,000, to short working suspense 3,000. As this you are preparing in the books of that is lesser, so you will be treating that as short working suspense account. Understood? 4,000 payable, one is to royalty receivable account, to short working suspense account. In the second year also exactly this 4,000 has been distributed, that is splitted, 3,000 from royalty, 1,000 from short working. So by bank account 4,000, to royalty receivable account 3,000, to short working suspense account 1,000. But in the case of third year there is nothing, you have exactly paid whatever the royalty is there. So by bank account 4,000, to royalty receivable account 4,000. Fifth year also exactly whatever the royalty is there you have paid. From royalty itself you have paid, there is no short workings. If there is a short workings means you will be writing to short working suspense account. There is no short workings, so what you will be writing, by bank account 4,000, to royalty receivable account 4,000. So in the fifth year 3,000, you have paid 5,000 rupees by bank, you have paid completely from the royalty itself. Yeah, by bank account 5,000, to royalty receivable account 5,000. So this is all about the problem number 18. So this completes this problem number 18, and next problem will be the same problem, some kind of similarities is there. So I'll be giving that as an assignment. Please do solve that. Any doubts you can ask me. Thank you.